What's up guys, welcome to vlog number 2. I'm Adam, let's go. I spent a lot of this week getting content from all the different job sites, so this vlog is mostly different clips and stuff of all the guys we have here at T-Pro working on site. We have Dave and Doug working in Malden, we have Tyler installing a bathroom in North Reading, we have Zach installing a faucet in Malden, and then finally we have Dave and Doug and Tim from contracting doing work on a house in Georgetown.
Oh boy.
If you guys enjoyed it, very soon we have the winners of the hat giveaway gonna be announced. There's 3 winners for each hat on Instagram. We're working on doing some video tours of all the different vans. We just gotta get the timing right with all the different guys to make sure that they're available to actually walk you guys through the van and show how that's set up. Thanks for watching vlog number 2. Come back next Friday for vlog number 3.